Welcome to Cooking Ben.
嘻哈大笑，金沙蝦。
This isn't your typical cooking channel. Meet our master chef with 55 years of experience, ready to spill all the techniques you need for every dish. Get ready to spice up your kitchen experience with a cooking adventure like never before.
好，大家好，先嚟恭喜發財啊！
Today, we're diving into making one of the all-time favorite Chinese dishes, golden shrimp. Chef Ben has snagged a bag of frozen shrimp from the local supermarket, easily found at most grocery stores or even at Costco. We've gone for the shrimp-sized between 25 to 30, sans heads but with shells on. That's around 25 to 30 shrimps per pound. While shrimp with heads might offer a richer flavor because of the yummy sauce inside, they can be a hassle, especially if you're serving kids.
剪一剪個背脊啦，咁我哋因為連殼噶嘛，呢個金沙蝦就
Once you've given the shrimp a good rinse, it's time to make a small cut along the back of the shell, leaving half of it intact. Don't worry, this trick will make sense once we hit the frying pan.
咁我哋整咗之後咧，我哋就依家去攞呢條腸出嚟，沖水攞腸。
Then, grab a toothpick and gently remove the vein.
呢個係蝦腸啊，咁我哋亦都係掹咗佢啦。
Give them another rinse and pat them dry with a paper towel.
搓乾咗啲水之後咧，我哋係落啲調味料，係少少嘅雞粉啦，1/4個茶匙嘅雞粉。
Let's round up our ingredients. 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder,
1/4茶匙嘅鹽。
1-2 teaspoon of salt.
咁如果你想係話啲味濃啲嘅咧，你亦都可以加重少少都得。但係我哋就今日唔需要啦，因為我哋係有鹹蛋黃，有牛油，落咗落之後咧，我哋係撈勻佢。
Since we're teaming up with salted egg yolks, we don't need extra salt. And 1 teaspoon of cornstarch.
先放啲乾粉，係鷹粟粉。鷹粟粉亦都係放1茶匙嘅鷹粟粉撈勻咗佢。之後咧，我哋係俾一隻雞蛋白。
Crack open an egg white, mix it in, and we'll sprinkle in more cornstarch just before frying. We'll also need 6 salted egg yolks, chopped into tiny pieces. You can easily find these at Asian supermarkets. And don't forget about 30 grams of butter.
大約係30個 gram 上下夠啦。
Chef Ben's secret? He prefers to fry the salted egg yolks straight up, though some folks like to give them a quick steam first. In my books, frying them raw gives you that extra taste of flavor and texture, letting you savor their sweetness and aroma.
我哋啲蝦淋炸之前咧，我哋落些少生粉同埋落少少蛋黃，半隻雞蛋黃就夠啦。咁樣咧，佢就會係比較有顏色啲啦。
Time to fry the shrimp. Add another layer, about 1/4 teaspoon of cornstarch, and half of the egg yolks. Once the oil hits around 140 degrees Celsius, it's frying time.
我個背脊咧，蝦嘅背脊唔係開得好深㗎，因為你開得深咧，佢一熟咗之後咧，佢反出嚟咧就會係好似個蝦球咁樣啊。
You'll notice our shrimp won't curl up into balls because we've only made a partial cut in the shell. Trust us, it's for aesthetics.
嗱，你睇到咧，佢炸咗出嚟咧，佢唔係話反得好犀利嘅，嗰隻蝦唔係話圓咕碌咁樣一個蝦球啊。即係我頭先剪蝦嗰陣時咧，我係留翻些少空間，等佢係嗰隻蝦挺直啲嘅。嗱，我哋依家係炸咗大約係30秒，嗰隻蝦已經開始浮啦。咁我哋好快脆咧就要撈翻起佢啦。撈起佢之後咧，我哋亦都要等嗰啲油係翻滾翻夠熱啦，我哋就將啲蝦再翻油啦。
Fry them up for about 30 seconds. Give them a breather, then back in for another 30 seconds until they're crispy.
你睇到啲蝦係好乾身㗎，係咪？咁樣食落口咧，佢就會係香脆啲。但係佢裏頭咧仲唔係好熟㗎嘛，咁我哋而家再翻落去，放翻啲蝦，再放落去翻一翻油。
For the grand finale, heat up a pan over medium heat, toss in the butter, and then add the rest of the salted egg yolks. Once those yolks turn all translucent and jelly-like, that's our cue. The sauce is ready for action.
我哋又放啲鹹蛋黃落去，咁樣推咧，佢就會乜都熟啦切到咁細粒。咁我哋睇到佢嗰啲鹹蛋黃係轉咗色，係冇咗透明嘅色，就已經係熟咗㗎啦。只不過我哋而家係將佢炒香佢嘅啫。已經熟咗㗎啦，依家已經啲鹹蛋黃好細粒㗎嘛佢，你睇到起晒泡好熄火，我哋又將啲蝦倒落去。
Toss in the shrimp and give them a good mix. Our golden shrimp is officially ready to steal the show.
蝦勻咗佢之後就得啦，你睇到啦 ，OK 啦。
Stay tuned for more shrimp recipes in our upcoming videos. Thank you for tuning into Cooking Ben. We'll be sharing new videos every week. Don't forget to subscribe and give our video a thumbs up.